Shenzhen Rigoal Connector Co Ltd was established in 2014 and is located in Shenzhen, China, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our hold company covers an area of 1,800 square meters, has obtained ISO 9001 certification, are specialized in waterproof connector and cable. Rigoal Company focus on ODM and OEM connector and cable. Has rich experience in the sensor, power, and Ethernet industry. Our main products include M5, M8, M9, M12, M16, M23, M40, RD24, Mini, 7, 8, etc., circular waterproof connector and cable, push-pull connectors, solenoid valve connector, RJ45 USB D-SUB waterproof connector and LED area power waterproof connector and cable, plastic T or Y-type connector and cables. Most of our products have got CE Rohs IP68, etc. certificates. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Welcome your custom-made. Our products mainly clients in Europe, USA, Australia, Korea, etc. We also welcome all over the world orders. Our associate company has 30 equipment to strictly control the product quality. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. The company's vision, to become a partner of global brands. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.